guys, today I'm going to do a video on my Nissan GTR. I recently took the car in just to get an inspection and kind of see where I was at in terms of service interval. I bought the car at 9,000 miles. It's got right around 12,000 miles on it right now. What they quoted me was a $4,000 bill of various maintenance items. And as I read through this kind of long list of $4,000 worth of stuff, I realized there's not much on here to be scared of, actually. The first item on the list is a $248 charge for replacing the engine air filters. Went on to Amazon, was able to get a pre-oiled K&N air filter double pack here for this car, specific to this car, for just 94 bucks, including shipping. I'll include the link in the description below so that you guys will just be able to click on that and go ahead and order it. This first job here on this list of items is probably about 5-10 minutes. Definitely worth your time to save 250 bucks, and you're getting a K&N air filter instead of the OEM. Alright, so I went with the K&N air filter over the OEM one. I generally stay away from these because the increased airflow means that you're actually letting bigger dust particles into your motor. This is actually rated to a smaller micron level, which is one of the reasons I went with this. This is a pre-oiled air filter, so it comes with all the oil on it. You don't need to do anything for 50,000 miles. Really good double pack, and for 90 or 100 bucks, definitely saving some money. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this job. Again, this is a really simple job. It's not going to take me but a couple of minutes, but we'll go ahead and zoom in here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, cool. As I mentioned, there are two of these air filters. We're going to go ahead and do the driver's side first. There's two clips here. All you do is pop up on them, and that's it. When you pull this thing up, you're not going to have anything come with the little cartridge. Inside, you'll be able to just pinch and pull up on your air filter. And as you can see on the dirty side of this one, there is a ton of dirt in this. Now, this is about 12,000 miles, and again, I bought the car used, but now that it's mine, it's probably going to get a little bit higher frequency of changes here. But again, you'll see this replacement pre-oiled. You can probably see a little bit of the sheen actually on it. I'm not sure if you can see that in the video, but it's definitely already oiled. And what you're going to make sure you're doing here is this side is the gasket side, and it's got to go in like this. When you look at the top down, you should be able to see the K&N logo right here on the bottom. And then you're going to go ahead, just make sure it's snug. And when you put this cartridge into it, it'll actually snug it up. So you go ahead and you just kind of wiggle it side to side like that, and boom, you're done. This side is already done. Alright, moving over to the other side, same procedure. Pop these two clips off, go ahead and pull the cartridge out like that, and then you're going to wiggle the filter free. And if this is your first time doing it, just kind of keep this in the right orientation and plop it right there, so that way as you go to get your new filter, you can kind of match it up. And you see here, okay, this guy's going to go in like this. Alright. Now most of these are going to have like a little lip on the end so that you can't put it in backwards. But that's just kind of an easy way to keep it correct. And then you just snug it down like this. And boom, there we go. For 94 bucks, just saved $248. So we've started our journey to kind of cut back on some of this maintenance cost. Really easy. We'll move on to the next item. Okay, cool. So what we just did is the engine air filter right here, $248, 94 bucks. So we've got a total cost of $3,800. I'm going to go through each of these. We'll probably do like the cabin air filter and windshield wiper thing next, and then I'll go through all these. I'm still waiting on some of my fluids, but I'll get to these other items as well.